Standard 10th, Unit 2.6, World Heritage. Hello friends, today we are going to discuss remaining workshop of World Heritage. Question number 9. Do you know the difference between World Heritage and Cultural Heritage? World Heritage आणि कल्चरल हेरिटेजमधला डिफरन्स आपल्याला इथे सांगायचा आहे की त्यांच्यामध्ये कोणता फरक आहे. The word World Heritage is related with the natural or man-made places that are recognized as having international importance, cultural values of the world and humanity in general. Whereas cultural heritage is related with a particular society or groups, its ideas, customs, beliefs, art and literature, etc., that have existed and inherited from past generations, maintained in the present, and preserved for the benefits of future generation. वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज म्हणजे अशा साईट्स असतात, म्हणजे अशा वास्तू असतात की ज्या एकतर नॅचरल असतात किंवा मानव निर्मित असतात आणि त्यांचं स्वतःचं असं एक इम्पॉर्टन्स असतं, कल्चरल व्हॅल्यूज असतात. आणि कल्चरल हेरिटेज म्हणजे की संस्कृती, चालीरीती, परंपरा ह्या एका जनरेशनकडून नेक्स्ट जनरेशनकडे पास केल्या जातात. Question number 10. Following are the ways to preserve World Heritage sites. Transfer these points into a small paragraph. Suggest a suitable title. Here are given some points. Practical conservation of posterity, human animal trespassing, unmonitored, uncontrolled, unrestricted access, threat of local administrative negligence. Now we can start by giving a suitable title to our paragraph. World Heritage, a global harmony, or it may be preserving World Heritage sites for future generations. You can write as per your information regarding with World Heritage sites. We can start from the given points, such as nowadays many countries are trying their best to attract the tourists all over the world. This is possible only when everyone preserve the art, sculpture and culture of a country. If all countries decide to conserve their cultural or historical sites, it brings prosperity to their countries. Unless we become familiar with one another, we cannot understand the customs and culture of different nations. World Heritage sites are the symbols of harmony and unity. The particular monument or a site reflects the tradition and culture of the country. In this way, we develop a paragraph with given points. If we want to make our relationship strong, we must exchange and understand the culture. Many evil people try to harm the heritage sites. When they visit any historical or cultural place, they try to carve on the walls. It seems bad. म्हणजे ह्या वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स धोक्यात का आलेल्या आहेत, त्यांचं जतन करण्याची का आवश्यकता आहे हे आपल्याला या पॅराग्राफमधून डेव्हलप करायचं आहे. वी मे यूज प्रोवर्ब्स or quotations just as unity in diversity and like that. Many people consider that protecting the sites is the responsibility of the government, but it is wrong. It is the duty and responsibility of all. ह्या साइट्स सांभाळून ठेवणं हे फक्त सरकारचं काम नाही आहे, ते आपलंसुद्धा काम आहे आणि त्यांचं संवर्धन करणं ही काळाची गरज आहे. कारण त्या पुढच्या पिढीपर्यंत पोचवण्यासाठी तो एक अमूल्य असा वारसा पुढच्या पिढीपर्यंत पोचवण्यासाठी ह्या वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साईट्सचं जतन आणि संवर्धन होणं आवश्यक आहे आणि हे सर्व तुम्हाला ह्या पॅराग्राफमध्ये डेव्हलप करायचं आहे. सो डेव्हलप द पॅराग्राफ अँड suggest a suitable title. Question number 11. Find from the text minimum 8 words related to cultural heritage and make a word register. Arrange them in an alphabetical order. Cultural heritage शी संबंध असलेले 8 शब्द आपल्याला याच्यात शोधायचे आहेत आणि ते अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डरमध्ये लावायचे आहेत. सच ॲज आर्ट, आर्टिफॅक्ट्स, फॉरेस्ट, लेक्स, लिटरेचर, मॉन्युमेंट, साइट, टेम्पल्स. Question number 12. Look at the words and their meanings. Underline the correct alternatives. Determine. Determine means decide. Monument, memorial, building. Significant, important. Disaster, calamity. Now question number 13. Rewrite the following sentences using not only but also and as well as in two separate sentences. Here some examples are given and we have to write two sentences with not only but also and as well as. आपल्याला नॉट ओनली बट अल्सो आणि ॲज वेल ॲज वापरून दोन सेपरेट सेंटेन्स तयार करायचे आहेत प्रत्येक वाक्याचे दिलेल्या. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट two nouns, two adjectives, two verbs or two adverbs and use not only but also in between them. In first sentence, UNESCO and the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. In this sentence, there are two nouns, so use not only but also in between these two nouns. Not only before first noun and but also before second noun. Remove and. Not only UNESCO but also the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. And for as well as, remove and use as well as. ॲज वेल ॲजचं वाक्य तयार करताना त्या दोन नाऊनमधला अँड काढून टाकायचा आहे आणि ॲज वेल ॲज वापरायचा आहे. युनेस्को as well as the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. Second sentence, the state parties are responsible for identifying and nominating new sites. Here identifying and nominating are two verbs and use not only but also in between them. The state parties are responsible for not only identifying but also nominating new sites. And for second sentence, the state parties are responsible for identifying, remove and use as well as identifying as well as nominating new sites. Third sentence, Opera House in Australia and the Historic Center of Vienna in Austria are cultural sites of World Heritage. Here, uh, here are given two nouns, so use not only but also in between these nouns. Not only Opera House in Australia but also the Historic Center of Vienna in Austria are cultural sites of World Heritage. Opera House in Australia as well as the Historic Center of Vienna in Austria are cultural sites of World Heritage. Fourth sentence. In this fourth sentence, adjectives two adjectives are given, so use not only but also here. World Heritage sites can be a combination of both not only cultural but also natural areas. Huh. We remove both. Okay. World Heritage sites can be a combination of not only cultural but also natural areas. And when we use as well as, World Heritage sites can be a combination of cultural as well as natural areas. Remove both and word. In fifth sentence, here also temples and artifacts are given. Means two nouns are given. Use not only but also here. To protect not only the temples but also artifacts, UNESCO launched an international campaign. Remove comma. To protect the temples as well as artifacts, UNESCO launched an international campaign. Now rewrite the following sentence, replacing as soon as by no sooner than. Remember that no sooner must always be followed by an auxiliary helping verb. As soon as he came, they all gave an applause. Remove as soon as. Use no sooner. Here we didn't see any auxiliary verb, so use did and use V1 क्रियापदाचे मूळ रूप. डीड वापरल्यानंतर डू डज डीड वापरल्यानंतर क्रियापदाचे पहिले रूप वापरायचं असतं. मग नो सुनर डीड ही कम दॅन ऑल गेव अँड applause. The first sentence is, as soon as the bill is passed, it will become an act. Remove as soon as. Use no sooner. Auxiliary verb is used and rewrite the sentence. No sooner is the bill passed than it will become an act. In second sentence, no sooner did the thief escape then the family inform the police. And remember that remove comma in each sentence. Third sentence, no sooner have you finished than you can submit your answer papers. No sooner can they manage than they should change their house. And fifth one, no sooner will the bell ring than the school assembly will start. So now try to solve this workshop. Complete this workshop in your notebook.